Liv Morgan's ex-girlfriend reveals secrets of their relationship. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. I am Elena. Have a nice day. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. This WWE star has recently revealed her time with Liv Morgan during their storyline and how they went about detailing their relationship. Liv Morgan is currently one of the top successful female wrestlers in WWE. She won the World Heavyweight title from Stephanie Walker at WrestleMania 42 to climb right back to the top of the women's roster before she went on a singles run. Liv Morgan was successful in the tag team division and is a multi-time women's tag team champion. Back in 2019, Morgan was involved in a controversial storyline that involved her gate-crashing and on-screen wedding between Bobby Lashley and Lana CJ Perry, claiming she was Perry's girlfriend and that she opposed her wedding with Lashley. The premise itself was controversial, but the stars involved worked hard to make it click before the angle was eventually dropped after it was revealed that Morgan lied about the relationship to get back at Lana. CJ Perry recently revealed in an interview with Denise Salcedo that she and Morgan are friends in real life, and this helped the authenticity of the angle. Little nuances, like pictures from actual trips they took, were later included to make the relationship seem realistic. Liv Morgan, immediately when they told her, she and I were immediately trying to make sense of it. Like, okay, we've all these pictures on Snapchat. We are genuinely friends. We had gone to Disney the year before for New Year's, and we would hang out and have all these pictures that no one had seen except for maybe me posting on Snapchat, and we both were like, we can tie these in. And those are the small little nuances that matter, just to make sense of it, even if it's not shown yet and then to be used. So that was great. Live. Morgan wasn't the first choice for Lana Lashley's storyline, says CJ Perry. Perry recently spoke on Ring the Bell, where she revealed that it wasn't Liv Morgan, but Sonya Deville who was WWE's choice for the controversial storyline. Sonya was already in a storyline with Mandy Rose and Otis, so she couldn't play the part. After considering Ruby Riott as well, WWE finally went with Liv Morgan, who was actually on a year-long hiatus, as she wasn't doing much on TV other than being part of the Riott Squad in her early years with the company. But the opportunity fell on her lap, and later she became the established single star she is today. Morgan was most recently seen on Monday Night Raw helping her Judgment Day faction mates Roxanne Perez and Raquel Rodriguez win a tag team match over Bayley and Lyra Valkyria. Liv Morgan sends 18+ message to male WWE star. Liv Morgan has remained unhinged since returning from her injury in November 2025. One of her goals has been to bring back gold into the Judgment Day faction, which she achieved to an extent by winning the WWE Women's World Championship at WrestleMania 42. Other than Liv Morgan, Dominic Mysterio holds the AAA Mega Championship in the group. The Judgment Day recently kicked out longtime member of the faction Finn Balor after he refused to help Mysterio during his Intercontinental Championship match on 2nd March, leading to him dropping his title to Penta. On the following taping of Raw, Mysterio and Balor came face-to-face, where the latter called Mysterio "I." It led to other members of the faction jumping the price and neutralizing him since being excommunicated from the Judgment Day. Balor has been on his singular journey. On 27th April, he tried to talk some sense into Roxanne Perez about leaving the group before she was betrayed just like him. Perez, however, claimed that she had decided to stay with the group. As for Liv Morgan being unhinged, she recently responded to a tweet by Finn Balor with a middle finger salute, where he claimed that he did not miss walking out to the Judgment Day's theme song. Liv Morgan discussed on-screen chemistry with Dominic Mysterio. Liv Morgan and Dominic Mysterio have been an on-screen couple since SummerSlam 2024, where he betrayed Rhea Ripley in her world title match against Morgan. Amid Morgan's absence between June and November last year, there were reports of Roxanne Perez playing the troublemaker who splits them. However, the storyline was seemingly dropped by the WWE creative team following her return. Morgan won the Royal Rumble for the first time in 9 attempts and subsequently beat Stephanie Walker to become the Women's World Championship. However, one of the major feats she has achieved is keeping her relationship intact with Mysterio, which allows them to present entertaining segments for television. While speaking on an interview with Chris Van Light on the Insight podcast, Morgan discussed her chemistry with Dirty Dom, claiming they were better than Macho Man. Randy, I know I say that word a lot, but we're just iconic together. I think we are the greatest couple in the history of WWE. I'm not just saying that, I mean that wholeheartedly. We're better than Becky and Seth, we're better than Edge and CM Punk, we're better than Macho Man and Miss Elizabeth. I stand on that. I feel like we've researched couples in WWE. What couples were couples before Dominic and I? Now you have tons of people coupling up, trying to do what we do, but they just can't.